I believe that organized, informed parents are the secret weapon. You have the ability to have influence if you're organized and informed. And so today is about getting informed, but the organizing work has to continue beyond today. Because we know there's so many others who are not as engaged as they should be, who are struggling with their own children and don't know there's help, and there's certainly strength in numbers. So I want to encourage you to keep this work going, because as Dr. McKenna will tell you, the board listens when parents are organized. And so this is a critical event in that regard. I just want to also say something. Think about what happens to kids when they become avid, independent readers. They control their education. They're no longer dependent on what is happening in school. So I want to reinforce the importance of getting books in the hands of children, developing a love of reading early on so they can have control over their education.
Thank you to all of you that committed to an agenda of life. You have $150 worth of books being given to you by my Latinx sister, Sylvia Bienes. Please give her a round of applause like we do. Woo-woo!
So this mindfulness is growing the awareness. What am I thinking? Do I believe that thought? Should I continue down this path of these thoughts or no? Not good for me, don't need to do it. So it's with this awareness is where all of our power is, really, all of our power is in our awareness.
We attract what we are. And so what we don't like in that individual, we need to change it in ourselves, right?
But our goal is for a school to call us and say, we want to choose books for our children. And Gordon Philanthropies says, yes, if you qualify, but we also want the same books that you wonderful teachers are choosing to be in the home libraries of our students. So in one specific school, we have invested over $50,000. If you're interested in finding out how you can get new free books for your students, if they are in underserved, under-resourced areas, look up Gordon Philanthropies, give me a call, and I promise you, we will keep our commitment and make sure that kids have valuable books so they can read in their homes.
Love